Sitting at a desk or computer all day takes a toll on your body and eyes. It affects your posture, metabolism, risk of anxiety or depression, and can lead to obesity, just to name a few. Bad posture can lead to serious issues, like back pain, cardiovascular issues, digestion issues, and eventually, changing of the curve of the spine itself, which will create a whole new level of back pain. Practice these 10 yoga poses to correct bad posture. Yoga is a great way to help reverse bad posture. By strengthening and stretching the shoulders, chest, back, and abdominals, the areas affected by sitting all day. These yoga poses will help you stand taller, live with an open heart, and help to relieve any discomfort that comes with a bad posture from sitting. At Sporty Witty, our mission is to encourage people of all ages, both men and women, to make physical activity and outdoor sports a part of their daily fitness routine. So, stay connected, and subscribe, and press that bell notification icon to stay updated. Other tips to get your posture right: sit correct, set reminders to keep your posture correct, carry your body weight equally on both the shoulders, follow the correct guidelines while lifting weight. What works best for you? Do let us know your comment below, and if you like the content of this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.